Good morning, children. How are you all? A warm welcome to my dear lovingly student. Children, what is the date today? Today date is 28/7/2021. And what is the date today? Wednesday. Very good. Children, in previous class what we learned? We learned the poem. What is the name of that poem? Afternoon, afternoon, afternoon on a hill. Afternoon, afternoon on a hill. This is the poem written by Agnes Saint Vincent Millay. And also children, all of you listen. In this poem we learn what we learn, Nana? We learn hard words. Did you read all hard words well? Very good. Did you read the meanings? Next one, what is that, ma? Rhyming words. Fourth one, opposite words. And next one, what is that, ma? Singulars and plurals. And also yesterday we learned some verb forms from this poem. We learned some verb forms from this poem. Okay children, today we can explain the question and answer in this class. We already completed the hard words, meanings, rhyming words, opposite words, singulars and plurals. Okay, and verb form. Got it? Okay. Children, coming to that, I write the question on the board, then we can explain. Coming to that, I write the question on the board, then we can explain. What is that first question, ma'am? When does the poet feel when does the poet feel the happiest? When does the poet feel happiest? When does the poet feel happiest, my dear children? When does the poet feel the happiest? See children, when does the poet feel happiest? See, for this question, what is that, ma? The poet. When does the poet feel happy? Here, what is that, ma? The answer is the poet feels the happiest. The poet feels happiest when she is under the sun. See Nana, see children, what is that, ma'am? When does the poet feel the happiest? The poet feels, I am the happiest thing under the sun. When does the poet feel, ma? The poet feels under the sun. Under the sun. Here, the poet feels the happiest when she is under the sun. When does the poet feels happiest? When she is under the sun. On that time, the poet feels, I am the happiest person. I am the happiest thing under the sun. That like the poet feels. See children, read that question. When does the poet feels the happiest? The poet feels the happiest when she is under the sun. Under the sun so many things are there, but she feels, I am the gladdest, I am the happiest person under the sun. That like the poet feels. Do you understand the first question, ma'am? What is that first question? When does the poet feels the happiest? Here what is the poet feels the happiest when she is under the sun. Shall we move to the second question? Okay. Coming to the second question. What is that, ma'am? When the second question. When the poet is amidst 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 nature is she calm is she calm is she calm or agitated 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 say children agitated agitated which line from this poem tells you that see Nana see read the question when the poet is amidst nature is she calm or agitated? Which line from this poem tells you that? Okay na? See for this answer, see Nana. Answer. The poet is calm. The poet is calm amidst nature. The lines from the poem. Which tells us that here children the answer is not sufficient here. That's why I want to write up. That I will look at tips and clouds with white eyes. With white eyes. Children, see now, when the poet is amidst nature, is she calm or agitated? Which line from this poem tells you that? What you understand this question, ma'am? When the poet is amidst nature, when she was sitting near the nature, on that time, how did she feel? Is she feel happy or agitated, angry? Which line tells you that? This is the question. Okay, the answer for what is that, ma'am? The poet is calm amidst the nature. When she was sitting among the nature, means middle of the nature, on that time she feels very calm. And the line from the poem which tells us that I will look at the cliffs and clouds with quiet eyes. Here the poet is enjoying the nature with quiet eyes. When she was sitting silently and she observing all the things, she feels when you look at the nature, he feels very happy. She was enjoying the beauty. This is the second question. Tomorrow, my dear children, remaining questions I will explain in the next class. Okay, children. Today I explained first question and second question. And also we should remember one thing. All the students should read the hard words, meanings, opposite words, singulars, verbs, all. This is for the OT syllabus. We have the voting on Saturday. That's why we should prepare voting very well. Thank you, children.